Do you suck at putting eyelashes on? Do you get eyelash glue all over your lids? Do your lashes throw up gang signs whenever you wear them? Today, we're gonna be trying out the Ardell Magnet Liner and Lash Kit. And we're gonna see if it's legit or not. So if you are interested to see if this is legit, if it works, then stay tuned. We're gonna get straight into the video. I'm not gonna chit chat too much. So today we are gonna be trying the Ardell Magnet Liner and Lashes together. I got this from Ulta. It does retail for $15. Right now, they're actually having a sale and it's $10.50. So if it's legit, then you need to order it today. So let's just dive into it. It gives clear directions on the back, so we're gonna take a little second to read them. Step 1 is to apply 2 coats of magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line. Let me just show you what comes in the kit. So you get your eyeliner, you get an eyeliner brush, and then of course the magnetic lashes. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so that way you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting on the eyeliner. I will say the liner like glided on really easy. Like that was super easy. I'm gonna put on some mascara. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara before I apply the lashes. So this is what the lashes look like. These are in style 110. It didn't say anything about cutting the lash. I'm not going to because it looks like the magnetic parts are on strategically placed, so I don't want to ruin the lash. I think it'll be fine. So we're gonna apply though. Oh, it's so sticky right here. Whoa. Also, I want to say my lashes are very curly, so my lashes don't stick straight out, so they're really curled and kind of hide my lash line, so it's hard to get down there with my big old fingers. You know, that's why tweezers really help me, but the fact that I can't use tweezers because mine are metal, it just kind of sucks. I'm really trying, y'all. Like, I really want this to work because I just saw a girl put them on. She made it look so easy. She literally just placed them and it just went on beautifully. So this is what one eye looks like. It looks really jacked because I went in with the eyeliner so many times. This was like the guinea pig eye. So, you know, when you first try something, you learn from your mistakes. This feels pretty comfortable. Like, I do feel like I'm wearing lashes, but it doesn't feel bad and they're actually really cute. Okay guys, that was a lot of hard work. But I have the lashes on, so this is what it looks like. This was my first time, so there's a lot of things that I would do differently moving forward. Overall, I do think that this is a really cool, interesting product. If you're allergic to latex, this might be a really good solution for you. Just learn from my mistakes. Definitely make sure you put the lashes on with a non-metal tweezer if you're gonna use tweezers. I think using your hands is gonna be better, honestly. And then make sure you put the liner on and then immediately put the lash on because it does need to be a little bit wet for it to stick. But other than that, I feel like this is a really cool product. I feel like it could work for you. Definitely watch some videos before doing it. That way you learn from our mistakes. I watched other videos because I was like, is it just me? Like, is it just me or does this suck? And I watched 3 videos and every person was able to just like put it on, no problem. So I think it was just me. I think if you are already really good at putting lashes on, then this will be a breeze for you. One thing I will say is I did get some of the liner on my hand and I went to wash it off, but it's waterproof, so it like was not coming off. So one thing you want to make sure you have is a makeup remover that an eye makeup remover, because you want it to be gentle around your eyes, but that takes off waterproof eyeliner, because you definitely do not want to be tugging and scrubbing and pulling around your eyes. That's a really delicate area. So if you do decide to buy this, make sure that you have some waterproof eye makeup remover, or you're gonna really be struggling. A really good thing about this is the lashes can be used over and over. It says to gently clean off the eyeliner, because the eyeliner is pretty thick and it dries really fast and it's really hard to get off. So it says to clean off the band of the lashes and place them back in the tray, and then, you know, reuse them again. But yeah, overall, I think this is a really great product. If you struggle with putting on lashes or liner, you may have a little bit of trouble, but I feel like with a little bit of practice and watching videos and learning from people's mistakes, I think you'll find this pretty easy. Overall, I give this product a thumbs up. I don't think it's for everybody. I think you either will really love it or you'll just be like, hell no. For me, it's a hell no, but for you, it may be a hell yes. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hope that maybe I could make you laugh with watching my epic fails. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed. Hit the bell, that way you never miss another video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.